Hello, welcome to Cyber Entering Monday. I am Tiberius. Okay, so we've started the machine. We probably do need to cd into TryHackMe, sudo open VPN, and get this. Okay, and then we'll go into spell it correctly. Okay. Do you think we need to add the IP address to DNS mask? Possibly. Oops. So DNS mask, I've done it a few times on stream, so they're probably going to want that one. But it's basically a DNS server that runs on my Kali instance. And all you do is you edit this config file that you have. So I've just put address equals /.neighbor.hackbox, not hackbox, TryHackMe. / and then the IP it gives. When I save this and I restart the service, sudo service DNS mask restart. Now, if I do neighbor.tryhackme, we get the IP address. If I do www, we get the IP address. If I just put anything there, we get the IP address. So usually people edit their hosts file, right? The only problem with doing this, like for instance, I've got beep.hackthebox here. So if I did host beep.hackthebox, it gives me the IP address. If I do www, it does not. So you'd have to add www here. So DNS mask is just much easier, honestly. Okay, so we just need to navigate to this URL. Probably don't need to do any auto recon for this one. Okay, here we go. I think this opens a web browser. Look at that. Oh my goodness, stop it. What the... Zap is just awful. Yeah, so okay, the other thing I don't like about Zap, I have no idea what's going on here, by the way. Let's just ignore this. Can we turn this off? Where's the bookmarks? Bookmarks. Hide. There we go. The other thing I don't like about Zap is, if you noticed, I pasted http : / but somehow now, I believe we've got... Oh, maybe they fixed it. Connection not secure. If they fixed it, that's good. But they used to be that they... Yeah, okay, they fixed it. They used to just put HTTPS in there and just change it for no reason. But it looks like they fixed that, which is nice. I like that. Okay, what have we actually got here? So we have a don't have account, use the guest account. Control U. Use guest credentials. Admin account is off limits. Okay. Control U just well, it doesn't actually. Well, there we go. It just does view source. Zap is the best proxy if you compare it to MSF Paint. Yes, correct. Okay, so we have a guest login. Hi guest, welcome to our site. Try not to peep your neighbor's profile. Okay. So let's... Can I load this? Yes, good. Okay. Interestingly, there's no cookie. Oh, no, there is. Okay. When did the cookie get set? Oh, because the responses... No, what? Did the cookie get set before? I just missed... Okay, sorry. The cookie got set before. That's fine. But it says profile.php user equals guest. Wrong one. So I presume if we just change this to admin. Yeah. Okay, that was very easy. Who knows what this vulnerability is called? It was, I think, in... Yeah, I mean, it's here, but... Alright, we're in. Yes, it's called IDOR. Who knows what IDOR stands for? What happens if you put something else in there random? Can we like do? No, they have at least filtered it. What about like insecure direct object reference? Correct. Not indirect object reference. One person wants to describe it to me as indirect direct object reference, which is great. Just cancel the first two words out. Yes, IDOR. Insecure direct object reference. To explain, let's work backwards. When I like to explain this, I like to work backwards. Okay, so a reference, right? A reference is a thing that points to another thing. Yeah, I'm pretty sure everybody understands what reference is. Okay, so our reference in this case was whatever we typed here. So when we typed guest, guest was our reference. Okay? Just the word guest is the reference. Okay. Hang on. Where are we? Back. Oh my god. Object. Okay. Now, an object, generally speaking, refers, in web applications at least, refers to some collection of attributes. Usually, you can almost kind of associate it with a row in a database. All right. When you're dealing with control view models, objects are basically kind of models. But if you don't understand what that means, don't worry. In this case, the object is the user. Okay, a user object. All right. This is the name of the user object, right? So the user object might have guest as the username. It has a password, right? Which in this case was also guest. But that entire bundle of attributes, like you don't know this, the guest might have a registration date. They might have a role. Okay. That whole collection is an object. And the object type is a user. Okay. So when we have an object reference, right? That's just basically a reference to that object, right? Which we have. We have a name, guest, referencing the object with a username of guest, if that makes sense. Okay, direct. Pretty easy to understand. When we type guest, right? It's directly referencing that user object with the username guest. Okay? There's no secondary reference or anything like that, okay? It's not... Guest isn't being used as some kind of foreign key, if you understand what database is, foreign keys in databases. It's basically... It's a direct reference to that specific object. It can't reference anything else. It's not referencing an object that's attached to the user object, for instance. My best explanation of direct. Insecure... pretty easy as well. By changing this, we could access other objects which we weren't supposed to access. When we log in, we're logged in as guest. We should only be able to access our profile. Okay, that's the whole point of this. It says, try not to peep at your neighbor's profile, right? So we're not supposed to be able to access it. But when we type admin and do this, we do indeed get access. So sometimes this is fine. If you have an application where you have the ability to, for instance, type a user's name in and it shows them their profile, that's still a direct object reference. It's just a secure one. Okay, it's a store. SDOR? It's a secure direct object reference because that's what it's supposed to do. But in this case, imagine this page showed all your bank transactions. Okay? Clearly, you're not supposed to see other people's, which is what makes it insecure. So the insecure part is really only the kind of...
Thank you for following.
Thank you, it's Mongoose. Yeah, the secure part is really the only part that's kind of subjective. It really depends on the application. Is IDOR still a problem in... Oh, modern websites because absolutely. Now I find IDOR all the time. In fact, broken access control itself, which contains IDOR, is basically the #1 in the top 10 right now for OWASP. Where are we? Broken access control. Probably IDOR is somewhere in here. If it's not, that's weird. It should be. They don't refer to it as this. Oh god, where do they refer to it? It's kind of this one. Oh, it's this one actually. Authorization bypass for a user control key. Insecure direct object reference. I don't know why they don't use it. May you consider injection? No, it's not injection. You're not injecting into anything. Kind of right when I said broken access. Yeah, broken access control is the big category thing. So yeah, I honestly don't like the OWASP anymore. I think it's just gotten out of control. Because you have how it used to be was it used to be a list of vulnerabilities, the top 10 vulnerabilities. And then everyone started treating it like they were the only 10 vulnerabilities. And instead of OWASP turning around and saying, hey, no, don't do that, they just kind of morphed it slowly into the top 10 categories and tried to list basically all of them. Like, broken access control covers so much stuff. Cryptographic failures, again. Injection is just all one thing, which is absurd. Because, like, SQL injection, far more prevalent than, say, LDAP injection. Cross-site scripting is now in here, which I agree with. If you're going to put it in a category, cross-site scripting is basically JavaScript injection. It should always been called that. The cross-site scripting doesn't really make any sense, but I'm glad it's in injection now instead of its own thing. Insecure design is just ridiculous, the fact it's in here. It's like a catch-all now. Anytime, what category is SSRF? It's on its own, which is the stupid thing. Like, this is a mixture of... it's a mixture of, like, categories. You've got, like, pretty much actually 9 categories here, and then you've just got a vulnerability at the end. So it's like, why? What are you doing, OWASP? You're insane. This doesn't make any sense. And it's not a category, like... SSRF is SSRF, it's not a whole freaking category. I mean, if there's any category, it would be request forgery, which you have tons of stuff you could do in request forgery. You've got cross-site request forgery. You could technically include HTTP request smuggling in request forgery. This is just dumb. Start the machine. Alright, Chillhack is up, so, I mean... it could just be chill.hack. So I guess we could probably just add it here. Address equals .chillhack.TryHackMe maybe? No, that's entirely possible. It's just not got its... so... we probably have a Chillhack. We do. We're going to remove Chillhack. So I don't know whatever was in there. Chillhack. Okay. Auto recon -C chillhack.tryhackme. We're just going to set that up right there. All right, good. Okay. We're going to run auto recon on this thing. Meanwhile, we're probably just going to go straight to chillhack.tryhackme and see if there's a web server on port 80, which there is. Do you usually have to provesk after you pen the web app? I mean, privilege escalation inside a web app is a thing. Why RM-RF? F forces it. And it's just force of habit. Okay, chillhack.tryhackme has this thing. Okay. Okay. Doesn't look like there's anything there. We can try robots.txt. Nothing. Okay, should we just try and register maybe? Nope, because we can't register anything. There is a search though. Perhaps not. Okay. Let's where is it? It's Chillhack. Scans. Okay, we got port 21 open. Okay. So we do indeed have an FTP server. FTP chillhack.tryhackme. So FTP with anonymous mode means I can just type username anonymous and just press enter. We can just do an ls. We'll do LA and we'll just get the note, which means we're just going to download it and it should be here. Okay. Port 21 is a rabbit hole. Well, we'll see, shall we? Oh, hang on. And Nora told me there's some filtering on the strings being put in the command. Alright, whatever that means. Okay. Port 22. Again, we mostly just check this to see if public keys and passwords are supported. Ferox Buster. Okay, here we go. Anything interesting here? So again, we're looking for 200s. So there were a few pages like about news. Custom blog. Okay, interesting. So I guess what we'll do is we'll just go through a few of these. We'll go to the blog first. See if there's anything there. Meanwhile, I guess we can just try the team as well. And contact. Okay. Oh, was there an about page? All right. Yeah, I think I did see that as well. Question is, we haven't actually found a page which logs us in yet. Which means we may just have to brute force. There was no robots.txt. We checked for that already. Okay. Does this form even do anything? Let's have a look at the form and see. Where is it? Possibly. Did it send anything? It did. I don't know if it actually did anything though. It didn't seem to return anything different. I do seem to vaguely remember this box, but I haven't done it in so long. Okay, that does nothing. Oh. Alright, I mean, we could just do try/admin. I mean, that would have been found by this. Oh, there's a contact.php though. So there we go. So we got less than... Okay. It's not going to be something stupid like this, is it? No. This only sends the email somehow. Should we fuzz this? Alright, FFUF. Haven't used it in a while. We just use -u. Schmuck fuzz equals who am I maybe? -w, and we're gonna do user share seclists. Fuzzing. I honestly don't know what to. This is why I want to use Burp Suite. Okay. Do we have anything that's really useful? I just want like something like.
Thank you for following.
Common words for. God damn it. Oh man. I have no idea. Big list of naughty strings. What's that got in it? Let's just do. Oh my god. Stop it. Oh my god, this is awful. Common words, raft, yeah, maybe, but I just don't want it to be that big. Discovery. Oh, variables, maybe. Oh, Jesus. No, I don't want variables then. Mainframe. Okay, we'll just use web content then. It's not going to be right, but maybe just common. Alright, we'll do this one. Okay, and that's just printing everything. I want to filter out. We're not going to do this in 10 minutes. I feel like this is. It's either we have to brute force the password, or it's a really dumb thing like this. How do I filter something? Filter by amount of lines. So if I do FL0. Nope, that's apparently lines 1. Alright, characters then. How do I filter the characters? Filter by amount of words. 0, okay. FW0. God, how is there one word? I really don't understand that. Yeah, there's literally no words there. Yeah, I don't know. This is ridiculous. I guess I want to do GoBuster has no advantage over whatever we're doing here. I'm gonna do filter words with one then. Okay. I don't think this is the way we're supposed to do it anyway. Yeah, size. The only problem is, oh, how do I filter by size then? Is it FS? Okay. Well, we'll see what this does. It's already most of the way through it. But parameter names in web content. Oh, good. All right, let's do that. That's what I wanted, actually. Parameter names. Okay, so FS filter out 0. Perfect. Might not work still. May have to do like a Ql-D3 on HTTP chill. Was it Chillhack? Chillhack. Into words. But honestly, we've got 3 minutes left. I doubt we're going to find anything. Didn't find anything. Alright. Foreign. Whatever this number is. What was our note? Try playing with the post in the contact form? Yeah, I mean, could do. It didn't seem to. It just seemed to be posting to an HTML form, which is probably not what we wanted. So if I change this to PHP, maybe. Does it do anything? Must enter your name. Okay, well that's something. Name equals test and must enter your name. Okay, so what's the... Well, hang on, so we're almost there. Oh god, where did it go? Contact. Yeah, the problem with these boxes is sometimes it's just something ridiculous. Yeah, it should have been name. Okay, is it username then? You must enter your name. I mean, we could fuzz this. So we just run FFUF again. I want to see post data. Right? Okay, so we're going to do -d fuzz equals tib. And I want to filter anything saying, come on. Filter regex, there we go. So I need to filter, was it FR? I'm not giving up. Filter regex. Okay, attention. Well, that didn't work. How is that not working? Alright, well.
Thank you for following.
Choose the outcome. I did not get a shell. Well done to the nose. At least we can relax now. I don't understand what's going on here, though. Honestly, if I had Burp Suite Pro working, this would be fine. Why is it doing that as well? What is happening? Oh my god, why is it... So why wasn't it filtering on attention? I don't understand. I really hate this. Alright. Oh my god. Dash H. Right, post data. Oh, do I need a dash X? That's really dumb if I needed a dash X post. No, I don't. Words 1. I don't understand what is... Is there any way to print out what it's seeing? I guess we could proxy it. Can we proxy it at all? Really hate FFUF if you didn't tell. We're just going to have to use this stupid thing, aren't we? Alright. I don't like how it adds this up here. I mean, I know technically it's fine. Edit. Technically this is legal, but I don't like it. I mean, I don't know if there is a hint, that's the thing. There was a note saying something about command inputs. Where was it? Filtering on strings being put in the command, which I assume this is what we need to find here. I don't even know though. This could be a complete dead end, but this is what we do this. I'm probably not going to do gambles again though on easy boxes. I know they're just too freaking stressful, and I don't feel like anyone learns anything. You're just looking at me kind of going wildly around. Where is it? Sec list. There we go. Okay, discovery. Maybe we'll do it on the check the Go Buster. Yeah, we did. Maybe we'll do it on root. I'm getting root, but parameter names. Okay, fine. Add. Oh no, wait a minute. That's... How do you even fuzz with this? Okay, it is doing that. Value name. Do I even... Okay. Payloads. Find processors. URL encode. Generate preview. Add. Okay. I'm just going to have to check something. Start fuzzer. Let's just see what happens. Yeah, so 69 bytes. Okay. How do I filter? Do you have any tips for a newbie in data analysis? No, I don't do data analysis. It's just going really slow right now. All we're seeing is 69 bytes. Oh my god, there was a stupid secret. I freaking hate this. I hate you, chat. Why is there a contact page? Yeah. Okay. Oh no, don't you mock me with this stupid thing. Okay, so can we do something like... Because it said there was some filtering enabled. We can. What's the filtering? We just get a reverse shell. Rev shell gen. Dash I 10 13 1 1 2 4. I mean, yeah, we'll just do this. Don't use URL encode it this time. Okay, I imagine this is gonna not work. I am a hacker. Okay. Can I do something like cat Etsy password? Okay, can I do something like ID base 64? Okay, so... there is a way to get it all in one line. Thank you, W0. Knew it was something. So I think... I mean, unless we... Can we do pipes? Is that allowed? We can do pipes, okay. So all I'm going to do is... So what I want to do is try base 64. Can I do something like this? No, okay. I just need to echo it then, I think. So if I echo... Oops, that... into base 64-D. I'll put a dash N. That doesn't look like the whole thing. It's definitely not the whole thing. But is it just cutting it off? Let's have a look. Oh, we can... Did I kill this? I did. Oh, okay. It is there, it just thinks it's HTML. Okay. So we're just gonna do that, and then we're just gonna pipe it into bash. See if that works. Which I think it should, maybe. Oh, I just didn't like bash? Maybe if we do just into SH? Interesting. Is ZSH available? Oh. No. Okay. We could probably... Can we do something like this? No. What if we echo it? I mean, that's what I just did. I'm just trying to see... Like, are we in a... No, okay. What's reverse shell gen? Rev shell gen. It's just a tool that generates reverse shells. I'm just trying to think what the easiest way around this is. I should probably just be doing it in, I wanted to call it repeater. It's not repeater, it's whatever this stupid thing is. We got... Okay, good. Excellent that we have... Can you write it into a SH file? Yeah, I mean, we could do multiple things. I'm just trying to figure out the best way around this. So it didn't like that. Like, there's multiple things we could try here. It just seems like it's... Oh, we could just do bin bash. Can we do something like bin bash -c? ID? Oh, that's easier. So... Okay, so this says I'm a hacker, but what if we just... do... Can we just pipe that into bin bash? I'm trying to figure out... I really don't know. There's so many ways you get a shell, and I'm not getting a shell. Because I just want to figure out if we can get it using pipes or something. There we go. That worked. I don't quite understand what it was doing. We can have a look at it though. We did at least get in though.
I'm in.
Okay, so let's see if we have Python. We don't. Do we have Python 3 though? We don't. We have Python 2. We don't have any Python. I'm not even... Okay. Don't even have a freaking shell. Send it again. Okay, I don't... Oh, man. Did it just not like... Maybe it wanted bin bash. So, like, maybe the netcat stuff worked, but we need to replace this with bin bash. Probably, actually, that's what happened. So, I'm gonna echo... Oh my god, why is it not typing? Echo -n. Okay, that's not what I wanted to do. Alright. I'm gonna copy this. I want to paste it. And then I want to go all the way back here. And do bin bash instead of bin sh. It's possible that sh just doesn't exist. Which would be odd. base64-zw. Okay. So now we can copy this thing. And do the NC again. And try this. Okay, try that. Maybe we need to pipe it into bin bash -i. I don't think you do. That's better. Which Python 3? Excellent. Python 3 -c import pty.spawn. We know bin bash works. I hate this. You know what program doesn't do that? Begins with B. Alright, Control Z that. SSTY. Okay, and then we're going to do STTY. Rows 39. STTY cols 172. And then export term equals xterm 256 col. If you aren't familiar with what I did there, it's basically kind of just cheating. So when you get a shell, like a reverse shell like this, it's very unstable. If you press Control C, it's just going to cancel netcat here, right? But if you background it, which is what I did here, and then you do this line, kind of puts it into a nice magic mode, which means you Control-C doesn't do that anymore. This is, honestly, you don't need to do these 2 lines if you don't want to. I do them, it just means it means that the terminal, the TTL I have on the box knows that my main terminal window here is this many rows and this many columns. It kind of just helps a little bit. So now we can cancel everything. Alright, so index.php. Let's see what this was about. Yeah, so it just didn't like bash. But it's checking. Yeah, okay, this is the problem. It's it's not checking if the word bash appears anywhere. It's just splitting everything into by spaces and checking if it's in the blacklist, which is just dumb. But we got there in the end. It's just shell execing stuff. Okay. All right. So any hidden files there? No. Any hidden files here? No. What did contact.php even do? Okay, contact.php did do something. But this doesn't look like they wrote it. This looks like some kind of... They needed first name, last name. Okay, that makes sense. They were looking for a first underscore name. But what does it even do? Does it just send a message? Yeah. No, it just sends an email. This was nothing. This was just some kind of red herring files. Interesting. Ooh, okay. Okay. Cats. Back.php. Okay. That could be something that we look at later. Let's cat Etsy password now. Alright, yes, we have these 2 users. Oh, we have, yeah, Auric. Okay, so we got a few users. And it looks like we can get into APAR. We can get into their home directory. Which is nice. We can't read local.txt. We can go into .ssh. We can't write to it though. I should probably do ls.sh. Do they have a... No. Can I run sudo? Of course I can. Okay, that means I can run this helpline.sh. Oh boy. So I can just do... Oh god. Can I just do something really dumb? Like... that? Mod plus x echo. And if I do path equals dot colon $squad, the dollar path sudo apar dot helpline. I need to say -u for apar. This is the user I can run it as. Okay, so that didn't work. Do I need to export? That's probably what I need to do. Maybe not. Okay, echo path. Well, I didn't want to do that. I'm just gonna echoes a bit on bash function. Ah, that's true. Okay. Mm. But I bet I can just put something into... Okay, I bet I can do this. Hang on. Export path equals that. And then if I do this sudo thing again... okay, enter the person you want to talk with. Well, I am ID blends onto him. Okay, maybe that didn't work, but maybe this will. Alright, that didn't work. Let's try. No. I wonder. No. There was what did we do for this one? No, I don't need that. Yeah, maybe. I doubt it though. User bin ID. Let's try it. Okay, what are we doing? So I don't think this should do anything. This just saves it as a person variable, which is just used there. I think what we really need is this message variable. So I don't think this needs to do anything. User bin ID. Which doesn't do anything. Okay, just give me a sec. Test 2. Okay. I think it just runs this. So -p test into test. Okay, so now I'm just going to type ID. Echo $test is ID. And now if I just do $test. Okay, yes. So I think if I just do ID. There we go. I just need to type ID. Right, so what's happening? Where are we? Where's the thing? Okay, here's the script. It's just here. So you can ignore these lines, whatever. Read-p means it's basically going to print this to the screen, and this person is a variable, right? And then whatever you type and press enter is going to be set to this variable called person, right? Which is then used here. That's fine. But in this line, whatever your response to this please enter your message is going to be stored in this variable MSG. But notice it doesn't do echo MSG, it just does MSG. So if you put the name of a command in here, it's just going to run that command. So in which case we could probably just do bin bash -p. And yeah, now we're APAR. Which is nice and easy. Okay, so now we can just cd into his home directory, which should be here. .sh. Okay, and what I can do is I can grab my SSH IDRSA pub. -p just is a shorthand. It preserves the privileges just in case it decides to downgrade them. So I am running this via sudo. Okay, so we're going to echo into authorized keys. Okay, cat authorized keys. For a hard box, this is kind of annoying. Okay, let's try SSHing now. So I just basically I put my public key in the authorized keys files. Okay, so now it will recognize it as when I try and log in as APAR. So I do -i .sh IDRSA APAR at chillhack.tryhackme. Hopefully. Yay! So we now have a very stable SSH shell. It appears I can run I can run my own file. That's nice. Do I have any? So actually, I can grab local.txt now, right? User flag, perfect. So is this just that? No, it wants the whole damn thing. All right. Okay. Right. So we go up a directory. We can't get into either of those. And we definitely have no sudo privileges, which is weird. Okay, so we'll just look for some SUIDs then, I guess. Get my SUID command. This one is nice. Oops. Run that. See. No. Run that. Okay, that didn't copy. Why? Stop dancing. Stole my copy for some reason. I don't understand why that happens. Copy. Are you kidding me? Okay, I'm going to try this again. I don't know why it's stealing my copy, but it is. Copy. Good. There we go. That worked that time. Okay. Do we get anything useful here? Okay. I mean, this... all this looks fine. I think. I don't see anything terribly interesting there. I guess we just next... because there was that weird... yeah, there's a port listing there. Okay, so I think there's another web server. Which means if I exit, should just be able to do -l 9001 127.0.0.1 9001. Okay, and then if we do this, localhost 9001. Okay, yeah. So basically, there's a service listing on port 9001, which I'm guessing is the web server that we found in this directory, right? I don't know if this is anything. I mean, they're all owned by root, which is interesting. I don't know what hacker.php does, or even. Actually, oh my god, index.php. Why don't we just use that? I imagine it's not going to be as easy as this. Like, we can't just SU to root using that as a password. What was the right? Well, I guess we could try and SU to... Oh. So we can SU as Anurod. Using that password, maybe. We can try Auric. Otherwise... Okay, so what we're going to do, we're just going to... I mean, I imagine what they want you to do is... use SQL injection. Because there was an SQL injection, I think, somewhere I saw. But maybe not. Yeah, in account.php. There's like an SQL injection here, but I don't even think you need that because, yeah, exactly, just log into the database. So I don't really quite understand why that was here. DB name is web portal. So I'm going to do mysql-u root-p web portal. And there we go. Show tables. Select all from users. There we go. Just going to copy that. I haven't really been keeping track, but I'll just paste them here. Alright, so we're going to use name that hash to try and identify these, although why do I need to do that? I don't need to do that, because I can just use account.php, right? They're MD5 hashes. Alright, so we're just going to open up a new terminal. Hashes, we'll put that in there, we're going to put this in here, use John. Format is going to be raw-md5 hashes. Okay. How do you do? How do you do it in John? When you do it with show? Use show to. God, come on. Do I just not need the word list? Okay, well... Usefully it doesn't tell me what these are, but we can just MD5 them ourselves. Alright, 7E. So this one is master password, and this one is don't ask, don't tell. Alright, so we can try logging in as Auric using this, and hopefully they've kept the same password. No. Okay. So this is APAR. Oh, hang on. Well, oh, Anurod's first name. Okay, so this also might be Anurod. Maybe? No. What's going on with this? But how is this an easy? I mean, there's container D, yeah, I get it, but... It's running as MySQL, so you can't even execute. I am confused. Docker images? Is Docker even running? Oh. We know where the login page is. Container. like how slow that is. The login page is here, but honestly, we don't need anything. Like, account.php is how you log in. Hacker.php is just that, and index.php is just the login page. I guess at this point we just run you said, yeah, I know, but the problem is I don't I've got their passwords and they're just not working for some reason, unless I've messed up something. Like, I can't get into their home directories. So I'm APAR right now, and I don't have access to... I can't even CD into this one. I can't CD into this one. I grabbed their passwords, but they don't work. Does this one work for me, though? Like, SU... APAR? Doesn't even work for me. There's some information in Hacker. I mean, look in the dark. We are currently APAR just a guy. We've already got APAR. I'm just going to download. Should have done this at the start, but 10, 13, 1, 1, 2, 4. Oh, jeez. Why do I keep... Prevesk, Limpies. Limpies. Okay, T, Limpies.txt. Alright. I recall you saying this easy last time. You just had to go over all 3 users. Yeah, and that's the issue. I can have a look at the image, I guess. Maybe it'll be something useful. So Auric. But yeah, I mean, it's just says look in the dark, you'll find your answer. But like, who knows what that means? Alright, we're just going to go through this and see what happens. I'm just going to scroll all the way up. I hope it's not Steg. If it's Steg, I wouldn't. Why would I have said this box was easy if it was Steg? Shadowfall? Yeah, actually, to be honest, maybe this will tell us. Okay. What else we got here? Okay, nothing. I'm just gonna have a very quick look around. These are all great suggestions, which are pretty much what we're doing now with this tool. Okay. No, this is Linpeas. This is written by the same guy who maintains Hacktricks. This box is called Chillhacks. I'm not seeing anything jump out at me. No files or capabilities. There's that LXC stuff, but that's usually used when you just want to jump straight to root. Sudo is not vulnerable. Basically, in terms of sudo, we can... Oh, actually, we can... Hang on. Can I just do... Like, why do I do that? Let's do -h group. Can I just do this? Like G root? Car. Okay. Okay. Oh, why did I do that? Can't write that. Anything writable by root's group, I should say. I need to do a man find. Group. Writable. Files which are writable. I really need to Google this because this is kind of specific. Find files writable by specific group. There's got to be a very easy way of doing that. Okay, so perm dash G plus W. But anyone in chat know this one? It's very specific. I don't want files that are writable by the group. I want writable by a specific group. So writable and owned by, I guess. I guess we just read the man pages. Oops. File belongs to... Okay, so I guess I could just do that. So can I just do find... I'm just going to do it in dot first. Group. Apar. And then perm. What's that permission that was there a minute ago? Come on. This one, I think. Okay. Was that correct? Lin peas. Writable by group. Okay. Yes, yes, yes. Okay. I think that worked. And if I do just root, I have no idea this is how you're supposed to solve this box. Okay, let's try / now and then just do to dev null. Oh boy. Well, I didn't really want any of proc, so maybe I'll just do grep -v proc. It's probably not a good idea. Oh man. What am I doing? Okay, I'm just going to pipe it into less. Yeah, this was maybe not how you're supposed to do this one. It's just kind of interesting that I could read it. Oh, but hang on, if I have... Their groups can... Okay. Hang on. Ah, man, this is tricky. So if I do... Let's just try Auric first. I'm setting my group to Auric. And then I'm just going to do bash -p. Okay, now if I run ID, I have the group set to Auric. So does this mean I can go into Auric's directory? It does. Okay, we're getting... No. Where am I? Okay. CD Auric. Better. Nothing there though. Okay. Exit out of this. Who was the other guy? At least this way I can read their directories. I don't know if this is gonna help me at all. Okay. --p. Okay, and we're right, CD into that one. CD into Anna. Aha! Source code.php. There we go. Okay. That was... I honestly... Chat, help me out. Would a newbie have spotted that? I mean, it took me a while just to realize that the sudo access I've been given... So to explain... Let me explain, actually. We can probably just quit out of this. So I am APAR, right? How we got APAR was pretty easy, right? We were able to run that script as the www data user. If you do sudo-l, now, if you're lucky, everything says all, which means you can run as all users, all groups. In this case, we're already APAR, so I was like, well, this is silly, until I realized we can technically change our group as we run this. Which means, so we use this to get... Yeah, exactly. We could exactly. That's what we did, actually. We went to group root. There was just nothing... the root group doesn't really have read access to many things, either. Like, it doesn't have read access to shadow or anything, so... Or even... It doesn't have write access either to, like, Etsy password or something. The root group is pretty tame. We might have been able just to go to the roots directory. Actually, should we try that? And we'll just do bash-p. Can we just do ls/root? No. Okay, so if we do... Oh, wait a minute. Where's the root directory? Yeah, so even the root group can't cd into the directory. If there was an X here, sorry, there. If there was an X there, we'd be and an R technically, we'd be able to cd into this root directory, but we can't. So what we need to do is change to Anarod's group. Okay, and now if I do ID, you see we're still APAR. But our group ID is this. Our primary group ID. We still have APAR's group. We're now just in 2 of them. Anarod is our primary group, which means if I do ls-l home, Anarod's home directory here, as a group, as the group Anarod, you can read and execute the directory. Execute basically means you can cd into it. So we can cd into home Anarod. And once we're in there, luckily there's this source code.php file, which again you can read. You can't write to it, but the group, right, which is this is the group owner, can read this file. And when we read that file, there was another password in it, which is this thing, which I just decoded. It's base64 encoded. So maybe this is Anarod. Yeah, I presume this is Anarod's password. So let's just cancel out of this. Anarod? It was. Okay.
I'm in.
I don't know if that was how you were supposed to do that. I imagine it was. Maybe we'll have to read up. Doesn't seem like a very good easy box. More of a medium, maybe? Just because you kind of have to be paying close attention. Luckily, I went back and double checked. Okay, but now we have anarods. Can I sudo? This is a good question. Oh, hang on. Yes, I can, but again, the same thing, so not really. But what can we do here? Suppose we should try and at least let's just make a note of this password actually. So this was any rod. Don't want to save it. At least try. I don't want to SU to root on my own machine. SU to root on here. Which we can't. Can we SSH? I kind of just want to see if we can SSH to it. It said passwords were enabled. We can. Okay. So now, yeah. Everybody seems to have this command, which isn't really very useful. But I guess now what we can do is, honestly, find files that are owned by us. I guess. I really need to use find-h. Oh. My find skills are not too good. Owned. Yeah, we go. User. Alright. So we're just going to do user as anurod. Okay. We have a few here. Okay, I'm just going to pipe that into less again. What group? Oh, that's a good point. Yeah, maybe. Kind of interesting. He's vimming something. Oh, he's in the Docker group. Okay. Wow. All right. Oh, here we go. Docker. So Docker container list, I guess, is what we want. Okay, Docker image list, maybe. Okay. It's been a while since I've done this Docker. Run image and connect to shell. There's a really simple command that I just don't know off the top of my head. Okay, how do I start an image? UTF-8 bins? Oh, that would be actually a good idea, yeah. Oh, this is good talk. Here we go. So actually we can just run the entire thing because Alpine is indeed the name of the thing. Yeah, I mean, I guess I could just do bin bash. Yeah, and now we're root on the container, but we've mounted the root directory into mount, I think, right now? Did we not do that? No, we didn't, okay. Well, there's the proof file. Okay, so we didn't even need to get root on the box, we just need to get root on the Docker container? Okay, we did it. Again, I guess.
I'm in.
There's the root. It's such a weird box. Alright, let's check this out. So I imagine this is just going to be a website, to be quite honest with you. Yeah. Okay, so we have Epoch to UTC converter. So like if you put 1, I guess. Yeah. Okay, so obviously this is probably a command injection. So can we do something easy like this? Yes. Yes, we can. Can we just do like that? Exit styles. Yeah, so we can't even do that, but we don't even need to. Okay. Told you this might be easy. Rev cell gen. I'm just gonna use bash. Thanks, Winson. Okay. And see. Can we just do this? Oh, is that the right command? Yes. Can I just do that? No. So what I might have to do is run this within a bash shell. So bash -c, surround it by quotes. Or not. Oh! My IP address has changed. Okay, yes. For some reason my IP address changed. Or I was using the wrong one all along, I don't know. Rev shotgun, here we go. Alright, let's try this again. So yeah, let's just try it without the quotes, because it probably should work. It does.
I'm in.
Alright. Oops, wrong one. Find the flag. Okay. Flag? Oh. Yeah, so grep. I mean, it says it in the web application, but... Do I just cat main.go? This is a Go application, that's interesting. Okay. So yeah, the reason it's vulnerable is this thing. It's basically just passing our input directly into bash. So, I mean, it might be in the views. But no, I guess not. Okay, so is it just... Can we sudo it? No. Okay. Anybody else have a home directory? No. Any other users, maybe? No. We are in a bash shell, but sudo definitely did not exist. Okay, interesting. I guess we can try and find the SUIDs again. Just use this one. Hi, own codes. Pretty basic. Is this in a Oh, this is in a Docker container, which explains a lot. So if I do PS, yeah. So this is a Docker container, so we need to find a way out of this Docker container. Um, anything mounted? No. Etsy cron tab maybe. No. Okay. Well, I'm gonna wget my lin peas because that will at least I cannot write. Oh, interesting. Okay. How am I? I'm pretty good. How are you? So yeah, with Docker, it's a bit weird. We've got 2 boxes that have Docker now. Okay. Yeah, I just lost the marbles. Trying to finish your course? What course? Alright, I can go all the way up here. Alright, what do we got? Okay. Oh, there's these yeah. There is something about Docker overlays, right? What would you do if you weren't in cybersecurity? I don't know. Okay, what else we got? Anything here? Oh yeah, so we could maybe have a look and see if 0.1 is available. Just gonna make a few notes actually. So our IP address is here, so maybe there's 0.1. Got some overlays we could look at, possibly. Alright, let's keep going down. Okay, so that was it, yeah, so do we have netcat? No, we have wget as well, right? So can we curl? We do, okay. Can we just curl? We can. But wait a minute, is that? Huh. Oh, how did it get the IP information? Oh, we have. Okay, hang on. We have
Thank you for
following. Thank you, code in public. So hang on a minute. Capture own capability privilege escalation. Exploit. Okay, let's do this one maybe. Okay. Own, is it? Cause like, can I just literally own anything? I don't think I can, but. There we go, capture earn. Okay, so we can do this. We can use Python. Oh, hang on. So yeah, I think we just have general capabilities, right? I wonder if we can just own. Okay, so we can't do that, but can we do it using this command that we have? Oh, we don't have Python? Python 3? Python 2? What happens if you just have general own capabilities? Current, I'm just gonna. Yeah, here we go. Right. This capability allows you to give other capabilities to binaries. Okay. So we can set we can set cap. Maybe. Okay. Come on, set cap. Just want to see how you use set cap because I've never really done it before. I think it's the same page. Come on. Alright, let's just try set cap, I guess. Oh, there's various ones. Okay, set cap. Set cap SUID. Oh. Set cap. Why can't there just be a very simple command just telling you how to do it? Here we go. Set cap. Okay, there we go. Basically capabilities are the new version of SUIDs, basically. Unable to set cap. Okay. Great. Crap. Current capabilities. This is weird. Thing is, I don't know. Capture own exploit. Let's just see if this guy has anything. I've never actually used this exploit before. I've used capabilities before, but the own one, I don't think I've done. Oh my god, why did that happen? I found that Python has it. But what if I just have it as my current process? That's the stupid thing. Current capability. Okay, cap. Oops, let's just print. Yeah, so I've got the... I don't understand. Cap SH show. I'm just... It just looks like my current process has the ability to change the ownership of files, but for whatever reason I just can't, like, I can't do it. Like, if I do that, obviously, oops. Show own, challenge, let's see password. Operation not permitted. I don't know what I'm doing wrong or if this means anything. Anybody got any ideas? Why is that happening? Hmm? Is it possible to assign capabilities to users, which is probably what I'm doing, right? Probably not the intended way. I mean, the thing is, LinP's highlighted it as extremely suspicious. Let's just cat this. Oh my god, why did that not copy? Copy. Yeah, nothing in there. Probably not the intended way. The only other thing I can think of is we get 10, 13, 1, 1, 2, 4 reverse piece by 64, I'm guessing. Yeah. Jeez. Show mod. Oh wow. Oh. Wait. Oh. No. What am I talking about? That's fine. Don't ignore me. I thought I'd done something clever there, but I hadn't. Mod plus X. Piece by 64. Alright, maybe this will work. I don't know. We're getting these weird boxes for quote-unquote easy boxes today. Spawn a bash shell inside an environment that provides capabilities. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that's what we've got here. Because we have this cap.sh stuff. So can we just... I really want to say we can just set caps on stuff, but I don't think we can. I sub but didn't get the notification. That's weird. You should have. It shouldn't matter. Do you have the notifications enabled though? I think you have to click a notification thing. I'm just going to rerun the exploit that got us here. Because... refresh. Yeah. Gets cap. Sorry, cap sh. Yeah, there's like... I don't understand. Set cap. Oh, maybe we have to copy like I probably need to study a little bit more capabilities because honestly I don't get to play around with them that much. So this version of Chown is at least ours. Can I set cap Chown on Chown? Invalid argument. What? How do I set cap? Okay. Yeah, oh, equals EIP maybe? Oh. No. Set cap effective. Operational permit. Okay, did anything get back on? Oh my god, what happened here? There we go. Well, this... No, okay, that's fine. That's just... What's going on? No. Well, that was, you don't even have to privilege escalate. So we just messed around with those capabilities for no reason. The flag was in the environment there. Okay, I feel less like a complete idiot now. Oh, that's good. Alright. Any questions about that? Oh, I'm relieved. I'm relieved that there apparently is not a privilege escalation involving whatever that. I just really want to know why Linpea's flagged it. It would be interesting to know if is there a write-up? There's no write-ups. Hint. Yeah. So I mean, if there's clearly it's unintended if you are supposed to root it. But okay, that makes way more sense. You probably have read the actual thing. Find the flag. Please follow me on Twitter, join the Discord server, subscribe to this channel, and follow me on Twitch if you're not following. Meanwhile, let's raid paleontologizing. I'll see you guys next time.